Jiangxi Guangge Building Decoration Company Limited is a professional one-stop manufacturer engaged in the development, design, sales, manufacturing, installation, and after-sales service of activity, electric, partition systems. It serves commercial occasions such as hotels, banquet halls, restaurants, office buildings, conferences, or exhibition centers. Our products are constantly innovating and upgrading from manual partitions to electric partitions, with a focus on providing convenient space management solutions for more customers. Nowadays, movable partitions can switch between multiple scene functions, so electric partitions are empowering and assisting spaces. High quality, competitive price. We are pretty sure that we will be your best choice. We are looking forward to the win-win cooperation and mutual development with you.